Hey there, I'm Henry Liu, former chef turned realtor. Welcome back to Home Cooking, where I bring my two passions together, good food and beautiful homes. Today we're at 15395 Southeast Frye Street in Happy Valley, and we're making carne asada tacos with fresh pico, homemade guacamole, crispy corn tortillas, pepper jack cheese, and steak cooked right here in this beautiful kitchen. This home has a kind of layout that makes people want to gather, a big kitchen, a great patio, a hot tub out back, and plenty of space to cook, hang out, and stay a while. Because at this house, every night is Taco Tuesday in Happy Valley. We're keeping this one fresh today. First, I'm starting with the pico. Fresh tomatoes, onion, cilantro, jalapeno, lime, and salt. Nothing complicated here, just bright, fresh flavor that makes the steak taste even better. This is one of those things that is always better when you make it yourself. You get the crunch from the onion, the brightness from the lime, the freshness from the cilantro, and that little bit of heat from the jalapeno. Now we move on to the guacamole. Avocado, lime, salt, a little onion, cilantro, tomato, and jalapeno also. I like keeping it a little chunky because this is going into tacos and nobody likes baby food. The guacamole gives the whole taco that creamy finish. So we have the pico done, the guacamole done, and now it's time for the steak. And before we get ready for the carne asada, let's talk about this home. 15395 Southeast Frye Street is a beautiful Happy Valley home with over 3,500 square feet. 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and the kind of kitchen that actually makes you want to cook. You have a large island, plenty of prep space, double ovens, a walk-in pantry, and a layout that keeps the kitchen connected to the rest of the home. That matters because nobody wants to be stuck cooking in a corner while everyone else is having fun. In this house, the kitchen feels like the center of the party. Out back, you have a great patio and a hot tub, which makes this the kind of home where dinner does not have to end when the tacos are gone. You can cook inside, eat outside, and finish the night relaxing in the backyard. Now for the carne asada. I'm cutting the steak into tiny cubes so every side of this meat gets seared nice. Now I'm getting this pan ripping hot. Since we're cooking inside, I want to mimic the heat of a grill as much as possible. A hot pan gives a steak that quick sear on the outside while keeping it tender inside. Then I'm keeping it simple. A little minced garlic, some taco meat seasoning to make life easier, and then we let the heat do the work. The trick is to keep the pan hot and the carne asada moving, letting each piece get that amazing sear by stirring in a controlled manner for big flavor. Now for the tortillas, I'm using corn tortillas and crisping them on a griddle with plenty of butter. Then I'm adding a slice of pepper jack cheese right on top so it melts into the tortilla and helps hold everything together. This gives you that crispy edge, buttery corn flavor, melted cheese in every bite. It also makes the taco stronger, which matters because we're loading this thing with steak, pico, and guacamole. That's how we're doing taco night in Happy Valley. First steak goes down, then pico over the top, then we finish it with homemade guacamole. You get the warm steak, the bright pico, the creamy guacamole, and that crispy, buttery tortilla underneath. And this is exactly why this dish fits this house. It's not fussy, it's not overdone. It's just the kind of food that brings people into the kitchen and keeps them there. A little bit more. Cheers, everybody. Cheers. Cheers. At this house, every night is Taco Tuesday. No reservations needed. Just book a tour with me to come take a look at this amazing listing, and who knows, this might be your home soon.